Got a few lumps left in it. I'll work those out. I have some ideas. But as you can see, it's on 5 volts, 0.6 amps. That's pretty darn good. Little rocket and roll in there, but I have some tricks to take care of that. We'll work on that. The main event is it's rotating without binding. And it's going to walk down the table if I let it. That's 30 volts. There's 12, there's 14. So that's 14 volts. I don't know why it wants to walk, but it does. Oh, it's in backwards. That's why. We just wired up different. Oh, and I left the idler on. It's on a ball bearing. It's working absolutely beautiful. Okay, I need some white paint on it, and then I can mount the adapter. I had to replace, didn't replace anything, but I had to remove both drive wheels and one side wheel, one front wheel. 4 wheels, I had to take them off, make repairs, realign it, and then put it back together. This wheel on this side is still loose on the hub. I'm going to try a few other tricks, see if I can't get it to fasten. Otherwise, I'm going to take it off again and do some work to it. But they can't be loose. I mean, that just messes everybody up. So, all right, we're back on it. I'll have the smoke on tomorrow, I hope, and we'll just keep chugging away. All right, later, buddy.